What's up, guys? I'm gonna be doing another, just random video, because I haven't done just a random video in a long time. Sorry, my hair's a bit wet. I just rinsed it a bit. So today all I'm doing is I'm gonna be doing a request video from. Damn it! I forget his name. But anyways. So that video's for him. You know who you are. I'll put the channel name and the channel link in the description, so you know who I'm talking about. And I'll be doing this video for him. So what this will be is just not a chug, not a review, nothing. Just drinking Pepsi and burping. Cause this guy asked me to do a burping video. I guess he saw that I burped in some of my other videos. So just crack her open. There you go. Okay, so that's crap. For some reason, the burping's making me cough this time. I don't know why. Okay. Alright, there you go, man. Hope you enjoyed that video. Hope it's more or less what you wanted, and I don't know, stay tuned for more videos, guys. Thanks for watching.